Now, a 10 News Morning Original. New reporting first at 6.
The key to cutting greenhouse gases could be gas from cows. 10 News reporter Jared Aaron's in the Live Center. And Jared, local researchers saying this has to do with changing what cows eat to reduce what they give off.
Yeah, let's get this out of the way right up front, Jim. We're talking about cows burping and farting. And now that I've said it, I don't have to say it again. But scientists at the Scripps Institution of Oceanography say that a specific type of seaweed can help reduce the amount of methane that cows release. Jennifer Smith's latest research project.
In here we have a species of red seaweed growing.
Is quite a talker.
Everybody chuckles, you know, why are you studying cow burps and seaweed?
She's looking for the most productive way to grow this specific type of seaweed, Asparagopsis taxiformis.
To see how fast we can grow it, how we might be able to manipulate things like light, temperature, nutrients, maximize growth rate.
It's got a chemical inside, boroform, those little circles in the stems, which has been shown to reduce methane production in a cow's digestive system. The less cows produce, the less they pollute the air.
Methane is a much worse greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide in terms of its warming potential. So it packs like 30 times the warming potential that carbon dioxide does.
Dairy cattle actually contribute a lot of...
Researchers at UC Davis are feeding varying amounts of the seaweed to cows to determine how much is needed and what effect it has on their meat and milk. Smith is trying to find the best way to grow it so that one day it can be fed to all of California's 5.2 million cows.
Ever since I started working on this project, every time I talk about it, I get goosebumps, so I think that's a pretty good sign of how excited I am about it.
It is pretty exciting, and Smith says the next step in her research is to start growing seaweed in outdoor tanks to find out if there's a way to do this on a large-scale version. And she says this is just the beginning of a research project that could take the next 3 to 5 years. In the Live Center, Jared Aaron's 10 News.
Thank you, Jared. Would that help all creatures with
You are thinking
emissions?
the same way I am. Yep, I'm thinking.
I mean, why stop with cows?
Agreed.
Just saying.
Yeah, that's an interesting concept, though. I like it. See what goes where it goes.